The Escorial Monastery. On April 23 in 1573, it puts the first stone. In 1574, the basilica begins to be completed in 1582 when the library began. In September 13, 1584, they put the last stone. Why it was created? It was a promise of King Philip II to the divine.
Library of Monastery of Escorial, Pantheon of Monastery of Escorial, Basilica of Monastery of Escorial. Library of Monastery of Escorial. The library of the Escorial Monastery was founded by Philip II, a humanist with great intellectual and concerned not only accumulate and collect books, but also by creating an area of study and scientific work. Is about to profess the continuity of acquisitions of funds to your death. Succus Friends monarchs continued this work early in the Catholic work. Consists approximately 15,000 volumes of exceptional quality, which make him one of the most volume library collections in the world. High Life includes collection of Arabic manuscript, Hebrew and Latin. Of Monastery of Escorial. All kings of Spain from Carlos V, but two are buried in Pantheon of Royal Monastery of San Lorenzo de Escorial. The two exceptions are Philip V and Fernando VI. Pantheon of Greece. Charles V, Philip II, Philip III, Philip IV, Charles II, Louis I, Charles III, Charles IV, Ferdinand VII, Elizabeth II, Alfonso XII and Alfonso XIII. Pantheons of infants, children. Of Monastery of Escorial. The base of Basilica of the Monastery of El Escorial is flanked by two tall towers, arranged over two levels, lower streets in their height Doric columns, and in the upper six figures represents King of Judah.
Second used to admire Italian artists. He hired Italian artists such as Federico Zuccari, Luca Cambiasi, El Greco, Luca Giordano's vaulting frescoes at the library by Pellegrino Tibaldi, by Cincinnato and Lucci. Also hired famous sculptors such as Monegro and Bernini. The Dome of San Sebastian by Juan Fernández Navarrete El Mundo, de Urbina, San Peter of Alcántara by Zurbarán, The Adoration of the Host by Claudio Coelho, The Descent from the Cross by Roger van der Weyden, Crucifixion by Roger van der Weyden. Has a very important art gallery.
Its real name is Royal Monastery of San Lorenzo del Escorial. It was declared World Heritage by UNESCO in 1984. Location: it is in Escorial, Madrid Autonomous Community, in Herrera del Escorial. This is in the 6th century by King Philip II and his artist Juan Bautista de Toledo.